Your Keurig Classic coffee maker starts brewing normally, then suddenly shuts off before the cup is finished. Sometimes the machine powers down midway through heating, while other times it turns off instantly as soon as the brew button is pressed. This issue is usually related to overheating protection, clogged internal water lines, power interruptions, or mineral buildup rather than a completely failed coffee maker. In many situations, the brewer shuts itself down automatically to prevent internal damage when water flow becomes restricted. Before replacing the machine or assuming the heating system is broken, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal brewing. 1. Unplug the Keurig Classic and let it cool down for several minutes. 2. Empty the water reservoir and refill it with fresh clean water. 3. Clean the needle area carefully to remove coffee grounds blockage. Number 4. Descale the brewer to clear mineral buildup inside the water lines. 5. Plug the machine directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip. 6. Restart the coffee maker and run a water only brew cycle first. 7. Test another brew cycle and watch if the machine stays powered on normally.